Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll show you how to make sure everyone can see your birthday on Facebook. This is perfect for those who love celebrating with friends and family online. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're logged in, you'll see a familiar interface. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three horizontal lines. This is the menu button that gives you access to all of Facebook's settings and features. Scroll down through the menu until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it and then select Settings from the options that appear. This will take you to a more detailed settings page where you can control various aspects of your Facebook experience. Under the Accounts Center section, tap on Personal Details. This is where you can manage information about yourself, including your birthday. Scroll down until you see Date of Birth and tap on it. Now, look for the option that says Who can see your birthday on Facebook? Tap on this to adjust who can view your birthday. Next, you'll see an option to Change Visibility on Facebook. Tap on this to open up the visibility settings for your birthday. Here, you'll have several options to choose from: Public, Friends, Custom, and more. For this tutorial, we want to make sure everyone can see your birthday, so choose Public. By selecting Public, you're allowing anyone to view your birthday, whether they're friends with you on Facebook or not. This is great if you want to share your special day with everyone. Once you've made your selection, tap Save to confirm the changes. That's it. You've now made your birthday visible to everyone on Facebook. This way, you can enjoy birthday wishes from friends, acquaintances, and even people you haven't connected with yet. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy celebrating.